War headlines, falling markets, and one big question:
Should you stay away or stay invested?
Moments like these feel uncertain, unpredictable. But historically, periods of market volatility have often presented opportunities for investors who stayed invested or continued investing. In the past, during similar geopolitical events, markets have seen recovery and delivered positive returns over the long term. And when the markets fall, you may get a chance to buy more units for the same amount at lower NAVs, potentially improving long-term outcomes. So, when the market dips, you may continue your investment to better align with your financial goals. Investors should consult their financial advisors before making any investments.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.